Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add a custom cover to your Gumroad store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com if you have not already. So if you do not already have it open up, go there and then go and log into your account. If you do not already have an account, just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started accessing all the sections for managing our store. And here we have an article on adding cover and thumbnail images. So basically guys, you can upload a cover image after adding a product, file, or license. So cover images can be images or videos that advertise, help describe your product, or offer a taste of what is to come. So basically guys, adding your cover images, you're going to go and create a product. So once you've created a product, you're going to click upload images or videos under cover to add a cover. So we're going to go into the product section right here, the left side of the screen, open up one of our products, and here as you can see, once you open it up, the edit menu is going to have the cover option. So from here you can get started uploading images or videos. It's going to show you what resolution they should be in, and once you upload it, they're going to appear right here and you're going to go and be able to use them for your covers. The same goes for thumbnails. Here you have the thumbnail option. You can upload a picture that you want to use as a thumbnail. It's also going to give you the recommended resolution. After that, just click save and apply, and once you save changes, in the upper right corner is going to apply those images, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.